Today we're replacing the turn signal bulbs in your second generation Hyundai Santa Fe, and we're going to do this step by step. This is Caswell's Kappa. Now let's get to it. Looking at the top of the headlight assembly, we can see two 10mm bolts. These both need to be removed. Next, there's one more 10mm nut. It's located right here. If you're having a hard time gauging where it's at, go off the top bolt, just move your way down. With the bolts out, we can now remove the headlight assembly. Now when getting the headlight assembly out, we gotta watch out for the stud, and then there's a lip here and a lip here. So easy way to get this out, put your hand on this portion, push out. Once it's out, push this way. This will ensure that this side of the lip is out. Next, grab underneath, pull up. This will get that lip out. And then we just have to worry about this side. Give it a nice little tug, but don't pull too hard because there's an electrical connection there. To remove the electrical connection, there's a cover before you can actually remove the connector. So to remove the cover, there's little clips here and here. Push down on each one until it unclips itself. Just bring it around, the top comes right off. Once that's done, there's a clasp right here. Push down and pull out. And then the headlight is free. Now before we replace any bulbs, we need to understand which bulb is which. We have your high beams, your low beams, and then your turn signals. Looking at the back side, turn signal, low beams, high beams. To remove the turn signal, grab it with your hands, turn it to the left, and remove the bulb. To remove the bulb from its housing, grab the bulb, twist left, and pull out. To install the bulb, take note of the grooves. Align the pins, insert it, and twist it until it clicks into place. If at first the bulb will not twist into place, it's likely due to the pins being backwards. Just flip the housing around and try it again. To install it, twist to the grooves, slide it in, and then tighten it till it clicks. Now we can install our headlight assembly. To install the headlight assembly, grab your electrical connector, push it till it clicks. Next, we'll install the connector cover. I know most of you won't install it, but we'll go over it anyways. Take the open piece, set it over the clasp, grab the bottom piece, put it on the hangers, make sure the top don't come off, and just slide it around the back and then push it till you hear it click. When installing the assembly, where before we were helping to free the lips, now we're going to fight against the lips. So the easiest way to do this, push the corner in as far as you can while making sure these are underneath your plate. Next, we can focus on the bottom. And hopefully, it should all just slide on in. Since we focused here first, it takes care of this lip. And then we pushed it down, and that would slide it into place. Now just make sure it's all centered and the bolt holes are lined up. First we'll install this 10mm nut. This helps to force the headlight assembly back and lines up the top holes. With the back nut installed, we can install these front ones. They should be more aligned. Grab a 10mm, tighten them in there. Once they are snug, you have finished this procedure. Thank y'all so much for checking out the video. I hope that it helped y'all out and that you learned something new. I will see y'all in the next one. Until then.